Then you have the neon colors, which are orange and green. You see how good they are like stuck onto my eyelid? And you might say, well, I don't know how to do liner. This is an easy way. You know how to stick stickers, right? Hi, fellow YouTubers. This is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. So today I'm going to be reviewing these adhesive eyeliners and tell you guys what all the hype is about. If you guys want to see this video, stay tuned. So this is what the packaging looks like. They're adhesive stickers, and the very first time that I seen them, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this, especially if you're a makeup artist. This would be so easy just to do a cat eyeliner without all the fuss. They look like this. These ones are the black ones. Okay, so let me show you guys some of the options that I got, and they are so cool. Let me tell you, I don't know how they fit yet, but they're super duper cool, and I'm gonna take them off and put them on, take them off, put them on, that kind of thing. So this is the first one. This is silver and gold. As you can see, there's a black liner, kind of like an ombre a little bit, so black at the bottom, and then there's gold or silver. The green and blue. Then you have the neon colors, which are orange and green. Then you have the pinks and purples, which is super dope. I love these. And let me see what kind of makeup I have on first. I think I'm gonna go with the gold ones. You think I should go with the gold ones or the black ones? So before I get started, I want to definitely let you guys know, anytime I do a video, all the description of everything that I have is inside of the description box if you just check that out. This is adhesive eyeliner stickers, and it will be below, so just check that out, and I would link each and every one of them. And how about this? Maybe I should give something away today, but I already know this is going to be dope because so many people have raved about this on Instagram. I had to try it. Dropping everything. Okay, I'm gonna try the gold ones. So these are the gold ones. The gold ones look pretty hot, and I have a lot of gold on my face right now. First, we want to read the instructions. So this is what it says. It's important to apply to clean, dry makeup. Remove sticker from the back end, close one eye, and apply the sticker on the eyelid near the eyelash, pressing gently to ensure good fixation. If necessary, use tweezers to handle the stickers upon its application. To remove, gently lift the sticker from the inside of the eye whistle, holding the eyelid down. Not recommended to apply repeatedly in a short period of time, and or use on sensitive or irritated skin. Do not use if under 12 years old. This is what this one looks like. It does have a little adhesive tape right there, and you just go ahead and you just pull that off. Oh wow. Wow. That is crazy how well it does. Look at that. OMG. Wow. That is dope. Are you guys seeing how easy that is? Whoa. That is pretty dope. Ooh. Look at that. It's so nice. Okay, let's try the black ones. I know you guys are like, girl, just try the regular black ones. I get you. I got it. I got it. I got it. You can see the difference between the black one and the gold one. The black one is slightly thinner. Not much difference, but it's slightly thinner. Ooh, I love a good cat eye. I absolutely freaking love this. You know, I'm gonna have to stock up. I have not told you guys I'm going back into makeup just for a little bit. And I got me a makeup chair and all that. And this is gonna be perfect. I ain't gotta spend all this time doing no cat eye with nobody. So this one keeps coming up slightly a little bit, only because I removed it and put it on. I'm trying to do a video for YouTube as well, Instagram as well. So this one keeps coming up. I took this off possibly about 3 to 4 times, and it came up a little bit, but look at it. You have to give it a round of applause because this, I mean, they changing the game with this. I am not lying. This was an easy application. Like I said, the only reason why this one is a little messed up is because I'm trying to film on 2 different cameras. Like this one is staying on perfect because I only did it once. This one, I had to do it 3 different times because I was trying to position it so you guys could see it. Let's take this off and let's do a neon color. I absolutely love this. There is nothing that you guys are gonna be able to tell me. I'm gonna try ones that I normally would not wear, which is green, because hey, why not? Maybe orange. Do you guys want me to try orange or green? I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and then I'm gonna put on lashes. So you see how good they are, like stuck onto my eyelid? They really, really work. Look at that. And they still stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, and these are the 101s by Envy. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these on so you guys can kind of see what they look like with lashes on. Because I'm pretty sure you guys are like, well, does it work with lashes? How does it work? All that extra stuff. So let's go ahead and put this on. The little flip that you see right there goes on the outside of it. And if you have any plugs, if you didn't place it right, just use some black liner and it'll fill it in. Okay, so let's get to all of the pros. Okay, so one of the pros to having these lash adhesives, have about a good 6 in the package. They have glitter and black on the eyeliner already, so you don't have to buy 2 different products. You know, when you go and shop for makeup and you're like, dang, I want a glitter eyeliner, so you gotta buy the glitter eyeliner and you gotta buy the black liner so that it can kind of fit. You don't have to do that with this. It's like a 2-in-1. So that's what I love about it, is that you don't have to buy glitter and black liner. So that's number 1. And number 2, it's not glitter all over your face. You guys know when you work with glitter, it's all over your face. And that's one thing I hate about glitter. And this still gives the effect of glitter, but it's not all over your face. I love the fact that it's very sticky. The adhesive is very, very sticky. So once you place it in its place, you cannot move it. Don't move it, because it's not going to be as sticky. So I love that the adhesive is strong enough to stay on your eyes all day. It doesn't pull up, it doesn't push up, none of that. You get this really trendy cat eye that's glittery for close to nothing. I feel like it's a 2-in-1. It's really non-expensive. Not only that, you don't have to like scrub off the makeup after, because it's a sticker. You just pull it off and you don't have to worry about taking it off with makeup remover. So I love that about that as well. You can do like a sharp cat eye, or you can do more of a glittery look. So I like that they give you a lot of options. It just really, really looks good. I mean, that has to be a pro in itself. It really looks like I took a lot of time doing this look. And not only that, if you're in a rush like me, I'm always late to a lot of different places. So especially when you're in the Uber, and you ain't did your eyeliner and you ain't got yourself together, this is an easy way to go ahead and attach it and put it on without a mess. So that's what I love about it. You can get ready super fast. And you might say, well, I don't know how to do liner. This is an easy way. You know how to stick stickers, right? Application, like, let me tell you how easy this is. It only takes about 1 minute each eye. Once you set it there, you press it on and boom. Lashes take a few seconds, and you got lashes and eyeliner in a few seconds. You don't even have to do a full face of makeup. I feel like it's really brilliant for a makeup artist to get this, and it's really brilliant for somebody who does not know how to do makeup, or especially eyeliner, because eyeliner can be very tricky and difficult. Like, who would have thought of this but the adhesive eyeliner people? So yes, I really do love this. I hope you guys give it a try and check it out below. So this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Mwah!